Tired of dealing with annoying flies, fruit flies, and gnats in your home? The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is your ultimate solution. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description now to get your Zevo Flying Insect Trap on Amazon and enjoy a bug-free home today.
Louis Ruelas' ex-fiancée, Vanessa Reiser, was arrested for DUI amid restraining order case that caused stress and anxiety for Teresa. Giudice, DailyMail.com can reveal. Reiser was central to a major storyline on this season of The Real Housewives of New Jersey. During the episode that aired on July 21, Giudice invited her close castmates to her house to share what she had learned about her rival, Margaret Josephs. Joined by her attorney James Leonard, Giudice, 52, informed the ladies that Josephs, 57, was allegedly behind Reiser's restraining order case and had been talking to Louis' ex the whole time. In October 2023, around the date the episode was filmed, it was reported that Ruelas scored a legal victory in court after Reiser, 51, was denied her application for a permanent restraining order. In new documents obtained exclusively by DailyMail.com, it was revealed that a month before a judge dismissed her complaint, she was arrested for a DUI. On September 22, 2023, the licensed therapist was caught drunk driving during a Monmouth County DWI strike force checkpoint in New Jersey around 10:35 p.m. According to the police report, the officer reported that he immediately detected a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage from the passenger in a Jeep, who happened to be Reiser. The officer also observed that her eyes were bloodshot and watery and she had droopy eyelids. Reiser informed the officer that she was coming from a friend's house in Red Bank and that she had only consumed 2 drinks, according to the report. After mumbling while reciting the alphabet, as instructed by the cop, she was asked to exit her vehicle and take a horizontal gaze nystagmus test, a walk and turn test, which she opted to remove her heels for, and the one-leg stand test. After missing heel-to-toe on all steps and not being able to stand on one leg, the cop stopped testing for her safety and placed her in handcuffs. In the cop car, the police still smelled the strong odor of an alcoholic beverage as he transferred Reiser to be processed at the Middletown Police Department. She demanded to speak to her attorney as she refused to take the alkotest, also known as a breathalyzer test. A mugshot, that is not available to the public, was taken, and she was released soon after. She was ultimately charged with operating a vehicle while under the influence, reckless driving, refusing to consent to take samples of breath and failure to possess a driver's insurance card, as hers was expired at the time. Reiser had a court date scheduled shortly after in October 2023, in which DailyMail.com has learned that she entered a not guilty plea. She also had a court hearing on August 8, 2024, but it has been pushed back to next month, which is when discovery for the case will be due. Reiser's attorney released a statement when contacted by DailyMail.com, saying, Vanessa refused to take a breath test as the checkpoint was set up in an unconstitutional manner, which gave the police no probable cause, and was in violation of her Fourth Amendment rights. No tests were done to demonstrate conclusively she was under the influence of anything, and no alcohol was found in her blood. It was Red Bank's first checkpoint in 10 years, and they were stopping every car and not complying with the law. While we understand the need for these checkpoints, they must be conducted according to constitutional parameters. This matter against Vanessa and many others will be dismissed at the next or a follow-up court date. During the episode of Real Housewives of New Jersey in which Giudice, her attorney, and her friends met to discuss what's been going on behind the scenes, the Housewives OG pointed out that her husband has been in court with his ex for the past 3 years. Recently, she filed a restraining order, claiming Louis has been harassing her, she recounted to her castmates. So basically, she's been trying to ruin his reputation, she continued. You don't do that. You don't put lies out there about someone and try to hurt them in any way. Giudice also confessed that it was really stressful dealing with the legal drama. Meanwhile, her pal, Dolores Catania, said that Giudice was a mess and has anxiety beyond anxiety. Danielle Cabral even took notice of the Mama 4's weight loss and claimed her stress is causing her to be 90 pounds soaking wet. Cabral said, Teresa is distraught. Teresa.